helping out a fellow glass person. It's what I do. It's the basic layout. I think the pattern was, well, he just wanted the design for his cutting machine, his Cricut. And these are all the same. You just need 1, 2, 3, a couple of patterns. And then the center motif for the plotter. That's to scale. I believe this was 36, 35, 23 by 35. Yeah, I believe that's what size it was. It was a remake from an old window. He sent me the picture. And I, using my software, everything is plotted out in line segments. It's actually pretty easy to do. That's what I did today. Anybody needs a little help with a pattern, let me know. And I do it for free. Ask anyone who reaches out. Yeah, I don't ask for anything. I mean, if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, that's fine. I actually enjoy doing this. This area here was just repeated, and then it cuts off. This is for 1/2 inch zinc edging. You have to bump it in about 1/4 plus. It's like 5/16, from the end with the line, and then the pattern. This little edging here, this can disappear, or you could still put a piece in it for the integrity of the window. Or what you can do is actually bump it out, the whole design a little bit. Make it a little bit fuller, and yeah. And then I sent the central motif as a separate file. So, and without any lines on it, so it can be put on the Cricut software, the design space, and in JPEG, which is fine. That's what you want. JPEG retains the quality of the image the best. When you convert to PNG, you lose a lot of it. It doesn't stay as clean. And then you can actually convert it to SVG, but there's a point where it's too much. This is the height of this is 9 inches, and it's 7 wide, so it's relatively small. I could set it up at SVG, but you really don't need to. These are very clean lines. It was done on a design software I have. Actually, it's no mystery. It's an Apple Pages app, and these are all these lines are done with line elements with waypoints, and you could see the original. I just I laid them right on top. The window below is this pattern, and I put center lines in for my guides, so I have a guide. I just wanted to share.